This video features a unique range extender configuration from Knobgear, utilizing just one generator. This setup is ideal for scenarios with space or resource limitations. You can see that Mr. Knob demonstrates how the engine is softly mounted in the frame, allowing it to move and shake easily. This is to showcase its free vibration operation. You can also see a coin fall when Mr. Knob pushes against the engine. Building on our previous video, we want to show and describe how the range extender works in scenarios where only one generator is utilized. Mr. Knob will now demonstrate a different operation of the range extender, where you can see how the coin remains stable even during the start and stop phases. The range extender with one generator was set up by removing a stator from one generator. So, on one crankshaft, a generator is mounted, and a rotor without a stator is mounted on the other. The rotor acts as a flywheel, ensuring the alignment of the moments of inertia between both shaft assemblies. It is important to note that even in this arrangement, the synchronous gears are only subjected to useful load, and peak torque is not transferred through them. Now, in the second part of the video, as you mentioned, we had to add a transparent plastic tube around the coin for safety reasons. We were concerned that the coin might fall into the rotors. As you might have noticed in the first part of the video, the coin shakes slightly due to the airflow coming from the rotors. In this test, Mr. Knob will demonstrate acceleration, deceleration, and engine shutdown from full load.